Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the cleaning process with this cleaning gel what I have ordered on Flipkart, and this I got for 143 rupees. This is the pack of two liquid gel bottles, which is of the brand Derek's. Derek's Clean Your Smart. See here, this is the brand new laptop, which is of Lenovo brand only. This is AMD 7000 series, AMD 5 with Radeon graphics, AMD laptop, and this cost like 44,000. And this is the Deskful mouse. All these unboxings and the reviews I'll be posting in the description. Please do check this. And this is the Lenovo laptop of IdeaPad Slim 3. And if you observe, this is the brand new laptop. This is pretty clean, even the screen, all this keyboard section. But while this is a 4 years old laptop, and see here, lot of dust and everything, even on the screen there is a lot of dust. So what I'll do is, with this liquid I'll be cleaning this. I'll be just posting this video, all the cleaning process and the after results also. Yeah, we'll check how effectively this gel and this cloth can clean this laptop. We'll check. Yeah, this is the Portronics wireless mouse with this micro USB. It is working. What I'll do is, I'll first try to shut down my PC laptop. Then I'll do the start my cleaning process. So I'm just clicking on the shutdown now. Yeah, I'll be back once the laptop gets shut down. Yes, the first thing I'm going to do is not directly spraying on the laptop. Instead, I'll try to spray on the cleaning cloth. Yeah, and yeah, I'll be just doing this cleaning as the buttons get pressed. That's the reason I turned off or shut down this PC. So see here, there is very lot of dust here. Yeah, okay. Keys I'll go later, but first I'll be just doing this outer part of the laptop. Don't do harsh cleaning, okay, as the touchpad is really sensitive. Very little bit with less pressure I'm just trying to clean this. Yeah, lot of dust is there. Maybe I need to use another cloth for this, for the screen. Yeah, now very carefully, because screen is pretty much sensitive. Before applying this liquid, just try to clean with the dry cloth once, so that the dust on the screen will go off. Later you can wipe with this liquid gel. See, lot of dust is there still. Yeah, so we'll try to use another cloth. Yeah, actually there will be a small brush for the laptop keyboard to clean, but as I purchased this, just with the cloth only I'm trying to clean with less pressure. Okay, don't apply too much pressure. Okay, this may damage your keyboard. So yeah, in between I'm just applying this liquid, and in between I just washed this cloth also. I washed this cloth and I made it dry in the sun, and later I'm recording the video. I'm not recording this video at a time, okay, remember that. And the screen also, don't try to clean with wet cloth, okay, avoid wet cloth, prefer dry cloth, and use this liquid. And very gentle, your wiping should be very gentle. Yeah, see here. Yeah, the cloth is completely dry, and if you can observe, as this is the shine gel, the previous look and the look when I apply this, if you observe this shine, Likewise, I'm going to clean the screen also, so that you can observe the after results. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, just I'm applying a little bit of this shining gel, and I'm cleaning the laptop, not only the screen. After this, I'll just wipe with the dry cloth. Okay, dry cloth cleaning is compulsory, and that too, don't apply too much of liquid. And if you can observe the keyboard also, okay, if you can observe the keyboard also, previous look means the look at the starting of the video, and now this is the brand new laptop, and this is the 4 years used laptop. I'm not saying this laptop is looking like this, but this got definitely a better changes and the better results. Means all the dirt and everything removed, and I don't know how far the video is recording, but I can observe the shine on the laptop now, even on the screen also. See, the screen is pretty clean, and this, even though this is the new laptop, there are slightly dust is there. Okay, yeah. So please do comment your opinion on this, and I'll try to attach these products, and along with that I'll try to attach this laptop also. AMD Ryzen 5, AMD Radeon graphics. This check the description for the detailed review of that video and unboxing, and I'll try to this is the Deskful wireless mouse with rechargeable battery. Okay, with RGB colors. I'll be keeping this product in the view product list and also in the description. Just check it. This is the Portronics wireless mouse. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.